Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day. Welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to ring the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is the 21st of March, and today's devotional topic is Tola. Judges chapter 10 verse 1 says, After Abimelech there arose to save Israel Tola, the son of Puah, the son of Dodo, of a man of Issachar, and he dwelt in Shamir in the mountains of Ephraim. Tola is one of those biblical characters we know nothing about, except for a couple of sentences that are recorded in the Word of God. The first thing that calls our attention is that Tola arose to save Israel, while Abimelech ruled over his people. It is a little like what happens in our spiritual lives. There are moments in which the enemy does not have to attack us because we are sufficiently busy with our conflicts. On the other hand, it is possible that Tola had to save Israel from themselves. After all, the foolishness and all the mistakes made by his predecessors, it would not be difficult to understand that this judge had to work during his leadership to restore all that Abimelech had destroyed. Sometimes, God calls us to maintain peace. At other times, He calls us to restore what others have broken. Perhaps we can say that the situation we find ourselves in is not our fault, but the way in which we leave the situation is our responsibility. Tola judged Israel for 23 years. The fact that the Bible does not say more about that period, there is no record of events, sermons, or meetings directed by him, and that it does not mention any war or intentions of invasion during that time, speaks well of Tola. God does not need to perform wonderful miracles to demonstrate his power. Sometimes he says clearly and strongly in the calm of a starry night that he continues to rule the universe and direct your life. He does not need to cure you from cancer to remind you that he is the physician of physicians. Sometimes he allows you not to catch a cold. The hand of God is seen in the middle of the strongest storm, and also when the sun keeps you warm on a sunny fall morning when, with his blessing and direction, you can go out and come back home. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comment section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.